Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2014 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Stock number CP15644T. This one is a high metallic red in color. With a nice chrome grille. Fog lights down here in the chrome bumper. We got some real nice 20-inch chrome plated wheels. Tires are about, I don't know, 35%. Chrome running boards, chrome trim on the doors, chrome handles, lots of chrome. Got some door protector here. It's not here. We got power mirrors, windows and locks. Power seats with premium cloth gray seating. AM/FM radio with Bluetooth, phone controls. Got your climate controls here, brake control, traction control, tow haul button, park sense and lane sense in the rear. Blind spot monitoring, sorry. It might be park sense, actually that's park sense, sorry. 4-wheel drive, dial shifting, cruise control settings, gauge cluster settings, nice convenient buttons on the back of the steering wheel here to change presets and volume. Pretty nice looking truck. Take a look in the back seat here. It's got the fold up seats, the platform that folds out, keeping things you want to keep dry out of the bed of the truck. You can haul them inside. These seats fold up. Pretty spacious back seat. Rams also have these, what I like to call coolers in the floor, making it nice for the summertime to be able to put your pop in there while you're driving down the road. Tonneau cover, leather tonneau cover. Rear backup camera. Bed has been, looks like it's been undercoated, rhino lined, whatever you want to call it. Hitch, chrome exhaust tips, chrome rear bumper. Pretty clean truck, don't see no rust, no scratches or dents or dings or anything like that. Someone took care of this baby. Again, this is a 2014 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Stock number CP15644T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.